Are you having trouble getting your Facebook ads approved? One reason: they violate Facebook's advertising policies. These policies govern the use of language, images, and other content. Another common issue is ads with grammatical mistakes, or images or videos with too much text. Facebook also rejects ads that make unrealistic offers, and ads that promote illegal products or services. Ads that contain explicit or suggestive content will also be rejected. Political ads must follow special rules, too. Additionally, your ad account may have been flagged for previous policy violations. If your ad is rejected, don't worry. Facebook will give you a reason, so you can make changes and try again. Once you've fixed the issues, resubmit your ad. Facebook typically responds within 24 hours. You can also seek help from the Facebook support team. Make sure to adhere to Facebook's advertising policies. These guidelines ensure that ads are appropriate and relevant. Facebook also provides a preview tool to test your ads. This enables you to review your ad before submitting it for approval. Avoid using clickbait or misleading language in your ads. And do not promote products or services in a deceptive manner. Images, videos, and text must be appropriate for all ages. Make sure to accurately target your ads to the right audience. When targeting, avoid making assumptions about users. Do not use profanity or slang in your ads. Using too many exclamation points or capital letters may also trigger a rejection. Make sure the destination website or landing page is relevant to the ad. Avoid creating multiple ads with the same content or message. If using Facebook's automatic placement tool, monitor where your ads appear. By following these guidelines, you can increase your chances of getting your ads approved. Remember that Facebook's policies may change over time. Stay up to date on these policies to ensure your ads comply. With the right approach, you can run successful Facebook ad campaigns.